Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can challenge the Sureshot chapter of Heroes event in FC Mobile 2024. So I've here on the new Sureshot event, aka Wesley Sneijder, and here you can let's swipe. You can complete the skill games and matches to get the arrows and fill up the sure shot quiver. So in here, this is what you can do to collect the reward, the arrow. So you can try the skill game. You'll get a 20 arrow token, or you can also do a match. You can get 25, or this is on the match, and you can also get the heroes reward path. And here, if you complete all of that, you reach 150, you can get this sure shots quiver logo. Okay, let's try here. You can shot 5 arrows each day and claim a reward based on your score. So you can try this like mini game. You can click on shot, and you need to span a 15 sure shot arrow to shot. Okay, let's try it. So unfortunately, I only got 6, so I need to do more to reach these goals right here. And in here, this is the milestone. If I successfully do all of the challenge, I can claim one of the 3 final rewards after I score 250. So you only can choose one between these 3. So try your luck in here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Enjoy the game.